regarding the gross injustice, atrocity committed on me and my family by one judicial officer named Noorunissa.
Judicial officer
ಹೌದು,
committed
ಅದೇ
atrocity.
magistrate, ಹೌದು. The
Okay,
magistrate along with 50 to 60 police person arrived to my home in
ಈಗ
the
what happened to the habeas corpus?
habeas corpus. That is what I wanted to convey to
ಅಲ್ಲ,
you.
what happened?
I don't understand when my learner friend in so high voice and high pitch,
I am the victim.
can I,
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
can I
You
speak?
need not talk to him. Stop. Wait. Yes, I am asking the SPP, wait.
In
Your
person.
party in person.
Pardon.
ಮೂರಲ್ಲೂ your party in person.
Petition number 1, 9 or 10 ಅಲ್ಲಿ party in person advocate.
ಏನು?
And petition 12 ಅಲ್ಲಿ I am the sole petitioner in person in this matter. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. The petitions or matters are regarding the gross injustice, atrocity committed on me and my family by one judicial officer named Noorunissa.
Judicial officer
ಹೌದು,
committed
ಅದೇ
atrocity.
magistrate, ಹೌದು. DLSA in capacity of our position being a DLSA.
All right.
ಅಲ್ಲ, DLSA has no power.
I think ಏನ್ what are you challenging, sir?
ಅವ್ರ FIR, ನಾನು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ತಾವು
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. What are you challenging?
ಚಾಲೆಂಜಿಂಗ್ ದ FIR.
Which petition should I take?
1815 first 10.
18? 8015.
80. Sir.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
And they have entered,
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
and petitioner number 1 in person, 2 to 3 other counsel is there. The magistrate along with 50 to 60 police person arrived to my home in
ಈಗ
the
what happened to the habeas corpus?
habeas corpus. That is what I wanted to convey to
ಅಲ್ಲ,
you.
what happened to that?
Lordship, Anu Shivraman, Lordship has recused from hearing in on our last occasion, my lords. Till date, it's been pending for the past 2.5 months. It's still, my wife has not been
ಆಯ್ತು.
produced. ಆಮೇಲೆ last hearing ಅಲ್ಲಿ my lords, ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ರೆಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ DLS ಇಂದ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Apart from that, another thing, my lords, one more petition is pending in which WP 17597 before Suraj Govindra Sahib, and in which I prayed for a constitution of SIT for enquiry about the illegalities committed by the judicial officer Noorunissa and other.
ಯಾವ್ದು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ?
17597 my lords. And a note 17.
ನಂಬರ್ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
WP number 17597 of 26
71
17597 of 26
17597
of
of
26 GMRES,
20
in which we prayed for a constitution of special inquiry committee to inquire about the illegalities committed by them. They have abducted my wife without any authority, and I prayed for departmental inquiry against the police officer who all came and caused atrocity on my family, and we have registered an abduction case which in which they have not filed a FIR till date, but individual notice has been ordered to be issued, my lords, in that matter. Apart from all the statutory bodies, even to the judicial officers and other police officers, I made
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು,
ಸೂರಜ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್
ಹೌದು.
ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ?
ಆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ my lord,
ಇದು 3 ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
4 petition after causing such atrocity.
ಮೈಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ದಾರೆ.
ನನ್ ಮೈಕ್ ಏನ್ ಬೇಡ, ನನ್ ಗಂಟ್ಲೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ ಗಂಟ್ಲು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದೆ. ಎಸ್.
After causing such a atrocity on my family, taking away of my wife,
ಆಯ್ತು. ನಾವು
they have filed a counter FIR.
ಒನ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್. ಆಯ್ತು, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
No, I don't
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಹೇಬಿಯಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಪಸ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
No, I'll say, my lord, I don't understand when my learner friend in so high voice and high pitch,
I am the victim.
can I speak?
You need not talk to him. Stop. Wait. Yes, I am asking the SPP, wait. Yes.
I don't understand why my learner friend making such an allegation. Division bench asked him to go and meet the wife. We have given the details and he did not meet. The bench recused because he made an allegation and party as a legal service authority also as a party. Since madam is heading that, she said may not be appropriate. Therefore, matter is posted before different bench. It is not that we have kept anybody. We have given the hospital detail where she was being treated. If my friend wants to go, he can go. Otherwise, if he wants to come and scream here, we can't help him. And I see what is happening is only screaming here, nothing.
All right, now wait. Toli barkoli madam. Tag this petition along with 1 minute. Tag this petition along with 17 ಏನದು 17597 of 2026, list them all on 14th.
One month submission.
Hmm.
Learned SSP is engaged in telling the lies.
Lies?
ಹೌದು.
Yes.
ಹೌದು.
Hmm.
ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಅದೇ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳೆ.
ಹಾ.
ಏನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Your lordship can observe in our writ of habeas corpus
I think-
petition and also in the GMRES petition. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ petition ಬರ್ಲಿ.
Online orders are there.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು petitions ಬರ್ಲಿ. ಯಾಕೆ? Relax.
ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು
ಹಾ.
ನೋಡಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ
ಹ್ಮ್.
ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬರೇ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು, ನೀವು why don't you meet your wife?
No.
No?
ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನನ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
He is engaged, my lord. He is engaged, that is what he is engaged in telling a lie.
No, don't tell all this.
ನಾನು specific ಆಗಿ
Wait.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ
Let's tag these petitions along with so and so, list them all on 14th in the fresh matters list. Yes. Next matter, please. Yes.
last petition, my lord.
Hmm.
Rather than speaking on the merits, he is more interested in my designation, position and education.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದು ನೋಡೋಣ ಆಮೇಲೆ.
Because I made a oral observation which has affected my integrity.
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಹೌದು, ನನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ oral ಆಗಿ observation ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಏನ್ JJ ಕಮಿಟಿ ತಾನೆ? ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್,
10 ವರ್ಷ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
10 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 10 PAಗಳಿದೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ even state rather than protecting the victim, they are protecting the criminals.
ಆಯ್ತು, ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ.
ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ,
when
ನನ್ನ
he-
ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
ಆಯ್ತು, ನಾವು ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಯು ನಾವು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್
ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು.
ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ so and so. SIT ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಎಸ್.
It's my learned friend.
Seeking for
Now, you should stop alleging anything against the SPP. He is the officer of the state. He will do whatever his job is to be done. You need not tell him what is to be done. Then, that's all right. Yes. Now stop it. Will you stop?
in this particular
Stop it and come when the matters are tagged. Yes, next.
I request, my lord, I think, I'm sorry, my lord, that since he is making a statement, he has claimed in his petition filed on 8/6/2026 that he is a member of JJB. By then, my instruction is he has been removed. In spite of that, he is claiming that there.
When were you, till when were you there in office?
5 ತಿಂಗಳ ಇದ್ದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವತ್ ಈಗ ನೀವು petition ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರಾ?
ಪಟಿಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಹಾ.
Enquiry has not been conducted.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಸರಿ.
That has been silent.
All right, all
That
right.
has been silent.
All right.
ಏನ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ
Yes,
ತರ
yes.
ನಾನು ರೈತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನನಗೆ JJP
List on 14th. Yes, next.
Grateful.
Yes.
Number 11.
ಈಗ ನೀವು ಮೈಕ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Yes.
NDPS matter ಮೇಲೆ